I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Pick an indoor or outdoor camera rated for weather and temperature ranges. Choose resolution next and prefer 1080p for clear daytime and night images. Check Wi-Fi bands and prefer 4 GHz for better range up to 150 feet through walls. Decide power delivery and choose between battery, solar, or wired power based on installation. Estimate battery life in hours and confirm replacement or charging options. Confirm camera compatibility with your router and mobile app before purchasing. Place the camera within 150 feet of the router for reliable 4 GHz connectivity. Create a strong Wi-Fi password and name a dedicated SSID if possible for camera traffic. Consider a guest network or VLAN to isolate cameras from sensitive devices. Install the manufacturer app on your phone and complete account setup with two-factor authentication enabled for safety. Keep your router firmware updated, and note any MAC filtering or DHCP reservations needed for mount cameras 7 to 10 feet high and angle them for clear coverage without glare. Use the provided mounts and ensure cameras are level and weather-sealed when outdoors. Connect the camera using the app and follow QR code or Bluetooth pairing steps to join your 4 GHz network. Use WPA2 or WPA3 encryption and change default admin credentials immediately for security. Enable continuous recording or event recording and configure cloud or local storage options based on your retention needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.